So this is the Klein organiser. I use this as an everyday box. So I've got inch-and-a-half screws, Fischer wall plugs. I made some clips up for chasing out, grommets, wagos, all different versions, penny washers, 4mm screws, fuses and extenders, faceplate screws, different sizes, couple of short ones for kitchen cabinets, a couple of drill bits in there at the moment. So yeah, it's just a little quick overhaul, and just clips in there like that. And then for the size, it's actually really nice and easy to store.